According to the report, Dr. Chintan Shah, an Indian doctor of Gujarat origin in Florida, he passed away while being held in Alachua County Jail after his July 2026 arrest. The circumstances surrounding the whole incident, they were described as unclear, with jail officials finding him unconscious during a routine check. Medical personnel, they were called, but he was pronounced unresponsive and his trial, it had not yet begun. That is an important distinction here. He had been accused. He had not been convicted. In the meantime, the allegation against him, they were pretty serious, involving the claimed use of artificial intelligence to create and distribute sexual material, along with allegations concerning communications with the minor. According to the report, police had launched an undercover investigation after receiving a tip and later searched his entire residence under a warrant here. In fact, his professional life, it was also affected immediately. According to the report, he had been working as a kidney specialist at a Florida hospital, but after the allegation emerged, he was placed on leave and information about him, it was removed from the hospital's website. The important part of the story is not to sensationalize the allegation. It is the fact that a man facing serious criminal charges, he passed away before the case reached the trial. And that raises question, what happened inside the jail? Was there a medical emergency? Was anybody else involved? What did surveillance footage show? What did the medical examiner conclude? Those answers matters because, if a person passes away in custody, that requires careful investigation, specifically when the person was still legally facing allegations rather than conviction. And for the Indian community in America, the story is another reminder that reputation, professional standing, and legal status, it can change very, very quickly once criminal allegations enter the entire picture. And now let's move from the court to the battlefield, not on the land though, but over the waters surrounding India.